Okay, so now we return to Medina Reader and we had reached page 21. So what I will do for this part is simply read the transliteration. Once I've read the transliteration, I want you to pause the video and try to think about what you think the phrase means. And then unpause the video and see if you were correct. So here, an-najmu ba'idun. So pause the video. Okay, so najmun means a star, an-najmu, the star, ba'idun, far. So the star is far away. Ar-rajulu waqifun. The man is standing. As-sukkaru hulwun. The sugar is sweet. At-talibu maridun. The student is sick. Ad-diku jamilun. The rooster is beautiful. Ad-daftaru jadidun. The notebook is new. At-tajiru ghaniyun. The merchant is rich. Ad-dukanu maftuhun. The shop is open. Al-waladu faqirun. The boy is poor. And this one is written down here, okay? So, at-tufahu ladidun. The apple is tasty, or the apple tastes nice, okay? Then this is actually two parts, okay? And there is a wa and in the middle. So it's here, at-tabibu tawilun wal mudarrisu kasirun. Okay. So the first part, at-tabibu tawilun, the doctor is tall. Next part, wal mudarrisu kasirun, and the teacher is short.